welcome to another lockpicking session. I have for you today Potty 314's favorite Dom S lock. Here's the bidding. To be honest, I do not remember exactly from where I have this lock. Maybe Potty gave it to me, maybe somebody else did. I honestly don't remember. Anyway, let's give it a go and see if I can pick this, and hopefully then I will be able also to gut it. So I use the vice because the lock is a little bit small for the hand. So let's have a looky. Let's see. Starting from 1, click, 2, another click, 3, give a click, that was click again from 3, and again. I think number 3 is maybe one of the floating spools. Number 2, I touched it and rotated a little bit. Number 3 gave another click, that was 4. I think 5 is binding but doesn't give any feedback. 4, 3 again, nothing. 2, see, 1, nothing. 2, 2 again. 4, 4 again. 3, so many clicks, it's unbelievable. 1, 2, that was 3, 3 again, 3 again. Alright, I think that's enough for this pick. I need something deeper now, a bit slimmer too. That was 5. That was 3, I hope, because I overset something, so I had to drop some of the other pins. Okay, I fell into a full set finally. There should be only one spool. There we go. Okay, I was about to give up actually. So, let's see. Open. So I will cut it now. Let's insert the key. I'll leave it here and I will put my camera down here. So, let's see. I will anyway. Yes. Okay. Okay, this is the that's 4. Should be like that. Okay. So 5 pins only. I actually see some weirdness here on number 2. It seems like it's possible it's pin in pin or magnetic. We'll have a look. This is on number 2. So starting with 1. It is a standard. 2 is a standard. 3 like a chess piece. 4 is like a mushroom pin, and 5 is a standard. The core, let's see, there is nothing there, as plain as it could be. Though if I dig a little bit deeper, no, that's too deep I guess. No, I don't see anything. No anti-drill protection, nothing else. Just a very interesting keyway. So let's start with the Bible. Standard on 1. Very big spring. Number 2, Potty's favorite pin. I actually have to admit these rings on this pin, they are also awesome. So it's with 2 rings. I also find them really cool. There's a spring. Number 3, so I was right. Number 3 is also one of these, and it has actually 3 of these rings. Okay. Five is standard, and I would believe, sorry, not 5, 4 is standard, and I assume 5 is a spool, correct. Oops, it ran away. There we go. So 2 standard pins, 3 spool serrated, so the dome proprietary for the dome is serrated, no, ring spools. Let's call them ring spools. And there's the last one. So let me show you how is this. And I'll put also the spring and their springs in their places. They seem to be the same. And I will give you now a close-up also. There we go. So on the top we have a tapered pin on number 1, key pin, standard on number 2, like a bullet, like a small torpedo pin on number 3. Looks a little bit like a chess piece, to be quite honest. Another torpedo on number 4 and a standard on number 5. Then we have a standard on number 1 for the driver pins. 2 and 3 are these dome proprietary ring spools, a standard and a normal spool. And let's very quickly have a look. I think this was number 2. I still have no idea what's this. Maybe it's magnetic. Let me see. See if this is magnetic. Actually, I'm not sure if this is magnetic steel, but no. No, doesn't seem magnetic. Well, I have no idea. Just some peculiarity about this pin in number 2. Come on, camera, focus for me. It doesn't want to. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.